Are you looking for a family home on a quiet Comox cul-de-sac? Are you wanting a two-level home that might allow for an in-law suite? Are you wanting to be walking distance to parks, trails, and all levels of school? If so, then this is the home for you. Hi, I'm Ryan Williams of RE/MAX in the Comox Valley, and welcome to my listing at 1317 Ocean View Avenue in Comox. Check out this well-appointed home. Inside, this two-story home is well appointed with an open concept layout, hardwood and tile floors, maple cabinets, stone countertops, 9-foot ceilings, and large windows for natural light and views of the Strait of Georgia. Outside, the home sits on a 0.17 acre lot and is one house away from a 2.5 acre playground park. The fully fenced backyard has plenty of gardening opportunity, landscaping features, and a wooden garden shed. High natural hedges and fencing provide privacy and tranquility. The quiet cul-de-sac is located only minutes by foot to both levels of schools, walking trails, parks, and it's a short drive to CFB Comox and downtown. Great location and quick possession. If you'd like more information on this property, you can reach out to me, Ryan Williams, at ryanwilliams.ca.